It has been a while, but today it's raining and hailing! Holy shit! Nope. Look, opening there. I got wet immediately. It just came out of nowhere. It was like a dark cloud. Now it's a bit brighter. And whew, I'm all icy. It's been a long while since a raining video. But the rain came back for more. It really did. It's all wet on the floor now, and I opened for like a second or two. I just wanted the sound to really be there. Well, it seems that was a short, really cool burst that I got out the camera for. Now it's more normal. Well, at least I got the important part. In these videos it's supposed to be short. Anyway. Ooh, more wind. Yeah, it's very windy. And we have another one. And it's even worse! Holy shit! That's a lot of hail. Oh shit, my floor is getting wet. Holy crap! It's all wet! Oh, look at it! It's all icy. Look at my feet! No! No! No!
Every song, hey, boom boom, yeah. Watch some videos, hey, boom.